Hello everyone and welcome to my course about ReactJS, and in this course we will go from the basic to advanced. So the first thing you need to do is install Node.js. So for that reason we have to go to node.org and we download the latest version. For that I already have done it and installed it. If you're using Windows, you can go to Node.js and install it for the Windows operating system, and then after that you can install you should install the npm package manager that we needed to. I will show you how to do that. So for that reason I opened terminal, and in terminal.js I just npm node -v. I see the version 10 is already installed. Yours might be version 12 or whatever, but mine is version 10. As long as it's version 8 or something, it will work. And I'm going to install npx install npm. I think the npm is already installed, because once you install that, so when you see npm -v, you will see version 6, so that's already installed. So I assume that you understand all the concepts behind the application for HTML and JavaScript, so we will be using a lot from that. So now I'm going to go to terminal. I'm going to desktop. I will see mkdir, let's say React project, cd React project. We go inside that, and I'm gonna install npm install -g create React app. So this will what would this do is to install the React application globally, but I'm gonna use sudo to give it administrative rights. So if it needs -g, sometimes doesn't work because it needs permission. I put my system password. Oops, that was wrong. So this will install the React application. So once that's installed, I simply go make create React app -app. I tell them what should I name this project. Let's say project 01. You will see that on desktop I have a project called create React project, and it doesn't have anything inside it. So once I press enter, it will automatically create the folder and install all the dependencies here. So let it create a fresh React project for us. So as I see, there are a lot of dependencies, because if you are going to use the raw vanilla React or create a React application, it will take a lot of time. You need to install Babel to process ESX functions or some other things that you will be needing to make the React working. So this automatically created the React application. So now it says you can cd project 1 and yarn start. Cd yarn is also like npm, so cd project 01 yarn start. So this will start our React application. So for that reason, this is the hello world for React. So in order to understand React, I have Visual Studio Code for IDE. You can have Atom or whatever you are using, whatever you make you comfortable. Some people use Sublime, so I have VS Code. I download the VS Code for Mac, or if you need Windows or whatever operating system you need to install it. Once the installation is done, you go to your Visual Studio Code and go to File menu, open that folder on our desktop, React project 1, and open it. So now I have the project set up. Like I had node modules, git ignore to ignore that, yarn, and whatever dependencies. So all our files are living here. So the next video I am going to talk about ES6 function before I start React. So this is if you want to change it, I have index.js. This will be this entry point. I will explain all those React DOM and everything to you, so you will understand what's going on inside this project. For now, this is enough to run our application and set up the IDE.